Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to connect your Android TV to any Wi-Fi network. First of all, open your Android TV and go to the settings of your Android TV. So I go here for settings, then go to additional settings if any available. In some cases, network and internet options will be available in the settings first page itself. Okay, in my case, this is Wi-Fi. This is MI4A Pro Android TV. Here in the first page it is not available. So go to the additional settings if it is available. Then here I can see network and internet. Just click on it, and here just turn on Wi-Fi button, so that available Wi-Fi nearby your Android TV will be scanning and showing here. Okay, already my TV is connected to Thurai 5G. It is already connected one time, and next time automatically it is connected. So I have connected Thurai 5G many times. If you would like to connect to new Wi-Fi network, select the network, then click on it, and then it will be connected. Here without password it is connecting. Suppose that network requires a password, you should know the password. Okay, without giving the password you cannot connect. Okay, so in this way you can easily connect your Android TV to any Wi-Fi network that is known to you. Okay, if it is open without password, then you are free to connect. But if it is protected with some password, without those particular password you cannot connect to the particular Wi-Fi network. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.